Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel Twinkling Stars Astro. If you have already a subscriber, welcome back. If you have yet not subscribed, please click the bell button down below and subscribe my channel. This is a channel all about the occult sciences in which your weeklies, yearlies, about your relationships, about your career will be posted. So stay tuned with me. Alright, this is the reading for my beautiful Capricorns. Alright, so let's see that what do we have for Capricorns from this Tuesday till coming Monday. Alright, I am open for the open readings as of now. Alright, so the information is given below in the description box, the WhatsApp number and my email ID through which you can connect me. Alright, so do let me know if anybody wants to have a personal reading. Alright, so let's see what do we have for our Capricorns for this week. Alright, Capricorns. At the bottom of the deck I have this Knight of Cups. A very slow energy, Capricorns. A very slow energy. You know, you are like staying at this one place with very low energy, kind of a, I'll say, very immovable energy for now, what I'm seeing. All right, okay, so let's begin with your health. All right, health, if I speak about, will be a mixture. All right, not that be good, not that be bad. All right, so just take care of your health. All right, I'll not be say a completely good health will be there for you with this Two of Pentacles, but then you'll be juggling with your health. All right, sometimes it'll be good, sometimes it will be bad. So this entire week you need to take care with your health. Then a balanced diet, take proper medication, visit to a doctor if required. All right, and it will be the mixed results for you in terms of health. All right, if I come towards your finances, there's something which you're risking about your finances, Capricorn, this week. There's something which you're risking for your finances this week, Capricorn. So I would suggest that just listen to the advice if somebody is trying to give you, because yes, what I feel is that somebody is trying to advise you about something related to your finances, or maybe in other ways also. So just listen to that advice. If you're not going to listen to the advice, then you're going to pay your karma. All right, that means the consequences will not be good for you. So though it's a new beginning for you, but then that beginning is risky in terms of your finances, right? It could be a new investment, it could be a new project in which you're investing, it may be about your planning of the expenditures, or maybe buy something new. It could be anything. All right, so just take care about that, Capricorn. Your workplace is treating you well with this Two of Wands. All right, you're waiting for something, maybe a promotion, or maybe a new project. It's coming towards to you. So just hold on. Workplace is fairly fine for you, so nothing to worry about. Just keep up the hard work. All right, and might be a visit is possible to the abroad. All right, a visit is possible to the overseas. I know right now the condition is not that prevailing, but still you never know if a situation arises off. All right, or maybe a movement from one place to another place within the country is possible. All right, at your workplace. Now coming to your relationships. You're blindfolded with something. You're not able to see something in your relationship. You're overly emotional. Look at this lady who's blindfolded in front of you. All right, with this Two of Swords. Not able to decide, or maybe just blindfolded about something. Maybe your partner is cheating on you, or maybe saying something on which you're not paying attention, or maybe your partner is seeking your attention to give you time, but yet not. But you are not giving them. All right, so becoming ignorant. All right, becoming indifferent about something, that would be see. And what is another fascinating fact is what I'm seeing, that lot of twos over here. I have Two of Pentacles, then I have Two of Wands, then I have Two of Swords. All right, so I mean, this is something really thinking upon stuff, that what this Three of Twos are indicating over here. All right, what this Three of Twos are indicating over here. So maybe you might get a promotion in a 2 month, or maybe a movement is there in the 2 month of now, or maybe there are two people around you in terms of your relationship in which you have to decide, or maybe there's a third party situation for you, your wife, or maybe the third person, right? So you have to choose the final two out of it, maybe something like that. Lots of twos, lots of emotions, what I'm seeing over here, for my Capricorns, all right? Okay, the challenge for you this week is the King of Pentacles, all right? Your stability is the challenge. Capricorn, your stability is the challenge. You're not getting grounded. You're not letting yourself, stable because of the immaturity you're carrying with this Page of Wands. With this immaturity inside you, all right, you're not letting yourself stable, and that is the challenge for you this week. All right, so please remove that immaturity and get that stable position, which is the very much requirement for you now. All right, you're not using your mental stamina to the complete. You're not taking the wise decisions this week, right? As I already told you, with your finances, you're risking up. All right, so the final outcome for you is the Hierophant at the Judgment. A clear answer that please listen if somebody is giving advices, because here I am having 3 cards which are saying that advices are being given to you, to which you should listen. And if you're not going to listen the advice of anybody, maybe a priest or maybe some elderly person of your home, right, the judgment will be done. Your karma will be paved. Right? If the karma is good, you listen to the advice, you will be saved, right? If not, then the consequences would be tough. All right, so this is the call for you for this week. All right, now let's see what is the another energy that I am having for you for this week, Capricorn. All right, hostilities. Protect yourself, Capricorn. Protect yourself this week, all right, with the patience. Patience is the key. As I told you, you need to be grounded, all right? You need to be grounded this week, all right? So have the patience, all right? And with that maturity, as I told you, you're taking immature decisions this week. Hold on with your maturity, all right? And don't lose your groundedness, your stability. Otherwise, hostilities are going to hit you. Hostilities are going to hit you, all right? So quite a mixed week for you, Capricorn. Quite a mixed week for you. Okay, let me see the final message from the universe. Let me see the final message universe from the universe. Holy Spirit, what is the final message for my Capricorns? All right, let's say. Oh wow, Bhadrakali, the goddess of darkness. An avatar of goddess Kali. All right. The blessing she is giving to you is the worldly power, earthly enjoyment, fearlessness in battle, access to feminine powers and virtue. All right, so, remove that fear and get grounded. Remove that immaturity out of you. All right, the prayer for you for this week is victorious one, auspicious one, Kali, Bhadrakali, wearer of the skull garland, O Mother, all forgiving protector and nurse. Sacred syllable of the sacrifice above, I bow down to you. Beautiful message from goddess Bhadrakali. All right, so this is the week for you, my dear Capricorns. I hope it resonates with you. Do leave a comment in the comment section box and see you next week. Bye bye.